Hello, welcome to today's video. We are going to be installing wheel flares on our 2007 golf cart. Now this is a DS kit and I got off of eBay. It cost me just under $30. Let's open it up and see what we got. Open this up. We got some front flares, 2 of those, and rear ones. Got some mounting screws. That should be easy. Those are just a Phillips screw. Screw them in. Easy peasy. It says they're stainless steel, but they are black. They could be painted stainless steel. Time to get the golf cart. So as you can see, this is why we need wheel flares. Look at that. Mud. So much mud gets all over this thing when we're driving. Look at this. All over the solar panels, everything. When you're sitting on the driver's seat here, it's just flicking mud all over you. Back's even worse. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wash it. So I have all the power turned off on the solar cart. I've got the solar panels turned off. I also have the battery turned off. With electrical stuff, you're just not quite sure if you're gonna short something out when you start spraying water all over it. Let's see how this fits on here. So what I'm thinking is you come back an inch from here, put it so it matches right up to the corner of this. About like that. I think that's where it's going to look the best. You can kind of eyeball and put it where it looks best to you. I've got a clamp holding the flare onto the golf cart. And now I'm going to put this first screw in. Now the first screw actually hits this aluminum bar that goes right there. So I'm using a self-tapping screw to go in there. You're going to want to find a screw tip that fits these screws nice and snug so they don't have any wiggle. Makes it a lot easier to put them in. We're just going to line this up to that, just like that right there. Screw that in. Well, that looks pretty good. Now let's move on to doing the back. Time to see how these fit on the back. As you can see, you've got a groove here. It's going to fit on the aluminum bottom piece there. Tuck this side right under that back seat. And it looks like you're just going to line it right up to this existing flare. There, that looks pretty good. There we go, one side done. I'm gonna head over and do the other side real quick. Well, I think this looks great. Go ahead and leave a comment if you think this improves the look of this golf cart. We should get a lot less mud on us. There will be a link in the description for this product. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys all in the next video.